Okay guys, come let's start time series. Okay guys, so come let's start time series. Now this is a bit difficult, so make sure you focus. Okay, we have the steps are a bit long here. Okay, so later when we do the full set question will take an hour. Okay, 1 hour to finish. So we'll be doing very slow. Okay, so understand the steps here. Now we have two models. We start with these two models first, additive model and multiplicative model, but we will be starting with the additive first. Okay, when you do the full set question, we'll do the additive first, then on the next class we'll move on into what? Multiplicative. Are you okay? So how do we start? Look at the question. So we have to go step by step how to find the what? We will learn first how to find the trend first. Okay, do you see the trend? Moving average. Now what is mean by time series? Now every chapter I have explained the uses, right? Every chapter has their own what? Use. This chapter, what is the use of this chapter? What is the use of this chapter? Any idea? No idea. Is it in your formula book or notes? No. Now, this is used to find short-term what? Forecast. Okay. Now you have learned long-term forecast, am I right? Remember? In which topic? Topic number 3, correct? Regression. And this is short-term forecast. Now, when I say short-term, that means not less than 1 year. Don't get it wrong. It also can be more than 1 year, but it won't be like 10 years or 2 years. No, it will be like maybe 2 years, 1 year, or maybe what? Next few months. Okay, it can be anything. So that's why we call this formula as short-term forecast. You still remember last time when I taught regression, the one is always what, like 5 years, 6 years, so on. So that's why we call it as long-term forecast. Are we okay? But the one is, even though long-term forecast, the calculation is simple. Here it is short-term forecast, but the calculation is what? Very long. Okay, but this is a very famous formula. Most of the time will be used in the business to find out what will be the what, future sales, future cost, future profit, okay, or future what will be the production units or whatever. Okay, it to identify what will be happen in the future. Okay, this is more accurate compared to what, regression. Okay, now let us start. Can I don't write the wrong amount? Can see my 5, right? My 5, my 3. Now clear, right? Okay, better. Okay, now. So guys, first step, we move one by one, then it will be more clear. So first step is always, in a time series, we calculate the moving total. Then only we can calculate the what? Moving average. So first, in the example, this example, I'll teach you how to calculate moving total. Next example, I'll teach you how to calculate moving average. Now over here, what is it? Calculate for how many years? 3 years. So 3 years means you have to total up for how many years? 3. So can you total up? 2000, 2001, and what? 2002. So plus all these values, how much you get? So moving total, how much you get? 445, am I right? Correct? Okay, very good. Where we should put the 445? That's the question. On 2000, or on 2001, or 2002? Which one? Now, yeah, find the center value. Okay, find for the center. So when you total up for 3, that is the center, right? Okay, 2001 will be the center. So 4, 4, 5. Is that okay? Very good. So come on, next 3 years, come on. 5? 575. Correct. Everyone got 575? Sure that. Everyone got 575. Correct. Now let me tell you. My answer is 340. Yeah. It won't be that easy. I know what you did. You jump and then you calculate from what? 2003, am I right? No, you are wrong. Cut the first one. Okay, cut the first one and then you continue with what? Another 3. How much? Okay. Cut the first one, then you continue with another what? 3 years. How much? So you get 340. Then same thing, repeat again. Cut. Another 3 years. How much? Check. Did you get this answer? So, you cut until you cannot get what? Total of how many years? 3 years. Then you stop. Okay? So now you know how to calculate any total? You know what it is? Very good. So now guys, in this question, how do we calculate this? Any idea? Example 2. Calculate the moving total. I never said how many years, right? So how you understand? Now if the question, you just leave it like this. You have to follow what? Follow the question. Very simple. Follow the question is how? Look at the quarter. You got how many quarter here? 4. That means we had a total of 4. Okay? Remember. So again I repeat, the question never say anything, follow the what? Question. Don't look at the year. You must look at the what? Quarter. So the quarter got 4, definitely quarter we got 4. Okay? So you total up of 4. So can you do that now, guys? So just now you already done, am I right? For 3, now you do it for what? 4. Can you give it a try? Total up for 4 and give me the answer how much? So how much you get? First one. 1350. Which place you want to put? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? Second. So everyone put it in second. How much is that? 1350. Correct? Everyone got the same answer? So you put it here, is it? Second place? Second quarter. Second quarter or third quarter? Huh? In between. How are the others? How you guys put? Huh? How you guys put? Some of you put on second, some of you put third, right? Now this is wrong. You have to put it 1350 in the middle. Something happening to my laptop? Good. Laptop crash. Okay, so you have to put it like this, exactly on the line. Okay, so if you put it on second quarter or you put it on third quarter, that's wrong answer. Okay, you won't get a correct answer later when you calculate. And let me tell you why later when we do the third example. You will know the reason why. Okay, so you have to put it here 1350 here. Okay, don't forget. And then you cut, then you continue another 4. Thousand, 1006, correct? The one also exactly on the line. 18. Then check. Is that correct? All of you get the same answer? Okay, now let's go into the second part. How to calculate moving average now. Now moving total, moving average. So can you already know how to calculate moving total, am I right? So can you start first? Then I will do the moving average for you. I'll teach you how to do. Now, moving average, that means average, right? So how you calculate, what we do with the values? What do you do with the values? Any idea? You divide, am I right? Average means normally we add up two values, then you divide, right? But divide by how much? Divide by 4. Sure. Is it divided by 4? Are you sure? Now you take these two, correct? The two values. You plus, correct? Am I right? You must plus add up, okay? Plus, divide with what? 8, not 4. Okay? Okay? Okay, so you divide with what? 8. Why was that? Any idea, guys? Why was 8? Any idea? Now, very simple. This is total of how much? 4. And this is total of how much? So, 4 plus 4? 8. Okay? You are almost correct. But we are not adding up only 4 numbers, but actually it's total of how many numbers? 8 numbers, right? So you must divide with 8 to get an average. How much? So do you get 76.5? Yeah. Then you cut the first one as usual. And then you add up another 2 more numbers. Plus divide with 8. How much? Check. All of you get the same answer? Make sure you plus correctly. You got the same answer, yeah? Okay. Cut, then you plus, cut, then you plus. Make sure you cut in the exam, yeah? If not, you get confused. Maybe you add up wrongly in the exam. Normally happens. 95% students won't be correct in this question. Because they don't know how to calculate. They know, but they sometimes add up wrongly, divide wrongly, they see the numbers wrongly. So make sure you cut, you do the line. Unless you're really expert, then you don't do that. Okay? So far so good, guys, until now. You know how to calculate moving total moving average? Can we try one more? Do it by yourself entirely. Okay? Check, is it correct? Okay, now. How about moving average? How much you get? Huh? 100? 120? 128? 128? My answer is 129. Correct? No. Yeah, I'm always correct. Now it's very simple, guys. Now go back to the previous formula. Previous example, sorry. Previous example, what's the story here? The story is a bit weird. Why? Because the numbers is what? On the line. Okay, it is on the line, am I right? Is that normal or abnormal? Abnormal. How are you going to calculate if it is on the line? So that's why we class these two numbers and we make it what? Normal back, correct? But here, why you want to make it abnormal? Now what you did is here, it's already normal, but you go in class again and make it what? Abnormal. Don't lah. Dia sudah okey. Jangan bagi dia cacat balik. Okay? Orang cacat kita bagi dia okey. Correct? Okay? So this one you should divide with how much? 5. Very good. So congratulations. Please liquid tag here. Divide by 5. Everything just divide by 5.
This one not even plus, so just divide by 5.
Yeah, divide 5. It's already normal, right? Why you want to make it abnormal? Now check your answer, is it correct? It definitely will be correct. So guys, so far so good, do you understand? If it is on the line, then we plus and make it as normal back. If it is already inside the what? The box, then you don't what? Add up, yeah? You just divide. Okay? Okay, remember that. That's why I gave you this example to make you understand. Now clear? Okay, very good. Can we go for the full set now?